What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and it's been a couple of weeks now since we replaced this speaker right here. So I wanted to give you a little bit of before and after so that you can see that the fix truly works and it sounds like nothing ever happened.
I don't know.
And that's the time.
Yeah, we know you don't know. We know you don't know. Okay, all right. So you didn't do too bad. Not too shabby. Okay.
23. And Harrison Ford is still in a bad way. Spoiler alert from what happened to him in episode 4. And then I read this article, this interview with him in the Hollywood Reporter, and it was talking about, do you remember a couple of years ago when he was in a vintage aircraft?